cough during this video, I'm sorry. I have terrible allergies, but let's do the formal meeting. Hey, it's me, destroying universes left and right, and it's Airsims. Sorry. It's haunting. I swear there's another Adam to kill this phone. When my plug-in's not all the way plugged in. Alright, so we're back in the game. There's meat right there. Should I do anything? This person's over here snatching phone. I absolutely hate when people do that. Even though on my own account I used to do that a lot. But I mean, I still hate it. Oh, sorry. I didn't lie, I coughed a lot. But yeah, there's an episode of Wolf Online. Let me tell you, this one's gonna be pretty darn fun. Because last time I made a Wolf Online video, I did pretty darn amazing on it. Well, not that amazing, but I got to level 4. So yeah, I gotta always do, let's just talk. Talking, let's play. So, tomorrow I'm gonna do a podcast, but I might not. It depends. And I will be doing something, and it will be very fun. So, tomorrow I try to do every day is getting some sort of video, like a Wolf Online video, like every day, which shouldn't be too hard, knowing that I've been level 17 before. I didn't have honor. That's weird. Yeah, I'm kind of stupid for going after an elephant right now, but okay. Hold on. Okay, everyone. This is recording a video. Oh, crap. I forgot not on my account. Oh, not that bad. Joe's should not be say that sort of stuff. Okay, either should Rose. But no big deal. So when I get like full HP, I'm gonna try to go to the Wild Wolf area and try not to get killed, or maybe I can go to the Mountain Wolf area. Because you know me, I always like, go on camera somewhere else. Oh, sorry about that. I just hit my head. see how glitchy this game is? Insane. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do something else once I get my full HP back. I have to go get something to kill me. Oh, cookie. Kiss his cheek. That's kind of weird. You know, this is why I ask in the chat when I'm doing, videos. Okay. I'm sorry I'm not talking very much. This already indicates my limit of playing. But I promised you something just like 5 seconds ago, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then if something to kill me. If you don't know, after you kill, you'll be back at spawn, and you'll be like doing amazing. Can't say I was surprised, but no one has to comment in the description box. I don't think, but yeah. So I'm being quiet right now, but you know, I don't want to bother you with my really scratchy voice. Alright, now we're here. Okay. Hi, everybody. Hi, people over here. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm getting off. Okay, hold on. I typed in the description. I want people to know. Say hello to. When Pop said hi, and then hi. What? As if I'm saying hi. Okay, so you guys just gonna say hi to by a bunch of mountain wolves and snow wolves. Okay, so as I was saying, Maybe the best viewers I've ever had in my entire life. And probably the only viewers I've ever had. But, as I'm bringing you go. I see. It's to be. Raru. I always say Raru. No, I shouldn't because it's not a realistic thing. It's more like. Sorry, I'm not very good. But yeah. I'm gonna end this video off here because it's getting really long. It's like 10 minutes long. Oh my gosh, there's so many giraffes. You know what, I'm gonna kill you guys. Years. Okay, you know what, I'll just sit here and record until I get done eating this. You guys are the best, and probably the very best. You know, it's a small YouTube channel that doesn't really matter in today's society. So yeah, I'm just thanking you right now because I don't have to thank you later. No offense or anything. But yeah. They're technically amazing, and no, you're not technically amazing. You are amazing. So, thank you for making this small channel, and yeah, let the ink be with you. I might actually use that. It's an outro. I don't know. Okay, on this bite. Come on, Jar. You guys keep coming. I have to eat an entire thing. It's gonna be insane. Alright, let the ink be with you.